Looking to go to the 2020 Hershey RV Show? I have the latest updates from the PRVCA, the organization that hosts this show. So you'll want to check out this video to see what's going on, to see if the show is in trouble or if they're going to be having it. All right, guys, here we go. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so today I'm here to bring you an update on the 2020 Hershey RV Show, and this is coming straight from the PRVCA. I will include the link down below, but this is the link for the actual Hershey Show. And the announcement, as you see on the screen, but I will read this, is that the PRVCA is closely monitoring the COVID-19 situation. The safety of our attendees, exhibitors, speakers, and staff is our highest priority. Currently, America's largest RV show is on as scheduled. Please check back here and our social media for any updates. Tickets will not go on sale until July. Thank you for your patience as we navigate this national emergency. So the reason I bring this out is I have actually been staying in the PA area right around where the Hershey RV Show will be taking place for about 3 to 4 weeks now, and the atmosphere for this show is not very good. So most people think that it will not happen just because of the status of the state right now. They are actually, just now, I think most counties are in yellow. So in Pennsylvania, it is a county by county thing, so it's not a state thing. But certain counties are lumped together, and Hershey is in one of those high areas where they say that the COVID stuff is higher than in other areas. So, and there is also a World Fair that has been going on there now for roughly about, I think the last time that it was canceled was World War II. I've got a link to the website for that as well that I will include down below. But it has now been canceled, and it is right around the same time as the Hershey Show. So that told a lot of people that now they really don't think this is going to happen. And as everybody already probably knows, Camping World, which was the biggest manufacturer, biggest dealer or seller, however you want to put that, of RVs that is part of the show, they were actually one of the main sponsors, has also now pulled out. The CEO has came out, he's made their statements that they're pulling out due to COVID because they just don't think it's going to be safe for their employees and all their people that would be involved with it, which I fully understand that, but I hate it. We were actually up here planning to circle back through and do the Hershey Show. But my own opinion to this is that the show probably will not happen. I'm hoping that it does. I'm hoping that, you know, Camping World and everybody else gets back on board. But just the atmosphere of the area, it just does not look good. But I just wanted to put this out. I wanted to make sure that everybody was able to see this update. And, you know, again, we're all just hoping that the Hershey Show will take place as planned. But, you know, this is just really unfortunate. I wanted to get this message out and show this. I know a lot of people have been talking about it in the area. And we've had some people actually email us and asked us about, you know, what our thoughts are since we were close to the area, for the people who knew that we were here. And, you know, again, in my opinion, it just does not look good. It looks like, as you know, a few things start opening up, then they start backing off on other things. So, you know, hopefully this goes on as planned, but I just wanted to get this out, show the latest update. They do say that you can go to their website, which I will link down below, and they will post updates as they come in, and we will see where it goes. But either way, I just wanted to get this out, let everybody know that there was new information up. I hope this helps people, and again, let's all just hope that they are able to do the show this year, because it should be great. All right, I want to thank you all for watching, and, you know, I hope this information helps you all. Have a great day.